emergency shutdown is happening. So obviously he got the notepad pen. Yeah, you have to use the notepad to make this now. So what do you have to write is this is just gonna be simple, very simple. Yeah, just write shutdown here. Next we have to make a space at the blanket, whatever you call this thing. And then you have to hit S. Then now here is the thing. After this add 0. Yeah, this just looks like a regular normal bowling ball contraction. But if you want, you can add a delay as well. If you add 60, then it will be 60 seconds. I'll add a 20 seconds delay. Next, you have to go to the file option and save it as. And then this shutdown st blah blah blah. Let me just emergency shutdown. Now you have to place a dot and be. If you want, you can add this inside a new folder. So I'll just go to the test. I'll add a new folder and go. Next, you have to change this to all files and save. Now that you have saved this, you will have it in your desktop. Open your desktop and this is an emergency shutdown BAD. What does the BAD even does? Well, oh yeah, this just happens. So I'll see you in the next